welcome back to my channel. This is your monkey boy Kurt, and today gagawa tayo ng banana bread kasi mahilig lahat ng tao dito sa bahay ng banana bread. First time ko magbe-bake ng banana bread. So first thing you have to do is to brown your butter. Make sure you don't burn it and stir it occasionally. Once it's separated, yun na yung time na tatanggalin mo siya sa fire at isa-set aside. Kasi yun yung pinaka kahit paano matagal gawin. Plus, preheat your oven. Yan yung next step. And of course, toast your walnut. Pwede rin namang raw, pero mas better and mas may flavor kung ito-toast nyo yung walnuts nyo. I'm using dark brown sugar because it has more flavor than usual white sugar or brown sugar. So, 1 cup. Yeah. Half teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon baking soda. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Alright, now na-mix na natin yung lahat ng dry ingredients natin. Isiset muna natin to aside. And then ngayon, we have to mash our bananas. Syempre, ito yung pinaka-important na recipe natin today. Kasi nga, banana bread yung gagawin natin. The best thing for banana bread is overripe bananas. Yung talagang parang leathery na yung color ng banana. So, since hindi ako makahanap dito and wala na akong time, nakahanap naman ako ng ripe bananas. Pwede na yon yung hinog na banana, ripe banana, yung medyo may mga dark spots na and all, ganon. So, yun yung gagamitin ko ngayong banana. Magmamash ako ng 4 bananas. Should be like baby food consistency.
2 large eggs.
So, ngayon ang gagawin naman natin, i-incorporate na natin yung dry ingredients.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So, wet ingredients natin. Let's go! Now, I'm done resting my dough or my batter. So, it's now time to put it in the oven. So, I'll be putting it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. So, let's go. So, ngayon, waiting time na. Maghintay tayo ng 40 to 45 minutes until maluto yung gitna ng ating cake, ng ating banana bread. Alright, moment of truth. Luto na. Tapos napa-cool down ko na for 15 minutes after baking. Bale, it will be like 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. So, ito na, finished product natin. Spongy, but very moist. Yeah. Thank you again, guys, for watching. And I hope nagustuhan nyo yung recipe and baked goods natin for today, which is banana bread. So, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and mag-comment kayo kung ano mga gusto nyo or suggestions nyo na pwede pa nating i-bake for next time. So, thanks again for watching. See you again next time. Thank you. Bye!